So hello everyone. So today we will be deploying our project on the GitHub. So I'll be telling about Git and GitHub and some basic commands and the basic and the easiest procedure to deploy your project or the whatever repository or folder of code you want to deploy on GitHub. So let's get started. So first of all, I will be telling you about some prerequisites, like you're creating your GitHub account. So you just have to Google the github.com, and here this is my account, but you will be getting this interface like this. So you just have to sign up, and it's just a normal process of signing in with your email and password and all the stuff, the similar stuff you do with your all the social media and other things. Okay, so this is the one prerequisite, and the second prerequisites for I will be dividing this video in the two sections for the Linux and Mac user first and the Windows users. I'll be giving the one demo example for each of the operating system. Like I will be uploading one project, so it will be convenient for you to grasp the more info from this video. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, for I will be telling one more prerequisite for the Windows users. So first of all, you just go to the Google and just download the type in the download git bash this, and then download this git scm. And for Windows, so download from here whatever your operating system, that 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever it is. After that, use your that git bash. I'll be using terminal for the Linux, as I have the Linux operating system, and the Mac users will use their terminals as well. For the Windows user, they have to use that git bash. It will be convenient to use the git bash, that's why I am telling. So let's get started with some basic commands that I will be telling you. So first command, I want you to note down these commands that we will be using these commands frequently. So first command, I want to tell this pwd, that it means the print working directory. What it does, that print working directory will give us the where our terminal is in the folder. Like we are in the home and the Prasad folder, like this. Suppose I am in the the second command is ls. Okay, so list down something you can remember like this, list down. It will list down all the folders which are in the Prasad folder, the whichever folder I am in it. The ls command will list down all the files and folders, all the things that are present in the Prasad. Okay, one more command is ls-la, that it will give you the hidden folder, I mean all the files and folders which are not visible by the ls command, like this. See that .git, .config, .genome, all the files which are not visible by the ls commands. Where this command is not used frequently that much, we will be using pwd and ls frequently. So next command, I want to tell you that okay, let's get one command more, that clear command. Okay, it will clear all your interface. And the next command, I want to tell you that the cd command, that is change directory. So in the cd command, you can go from one folder to the next folder. I mean, see, in this Prasad folder there are this much folders like code, desktop, Eclipse. So I want to go to the desktop folder. So what I will do, that I will type cd change directory space, and I will type desktop. Okay, so I will go in the desktop folder. See, so if I want to see in which folder I am in, then I can just type the pwd command, and see, I am in the desktop. Okay, so I'm in the desktop folder. So I can list down all the if you want to see which folders are present in the desktop, then you again can just type the ls command and you can see all the files in the desktop. So this is the fifth command. Okay, you can note down this cd and the next folder. One more thing about this command, you can just type cd and the first and some word about the folder. I mean, see, if I want to go to the documents folder, okay, so just type the correct folder name, don't make the typo. Then I will just type the doc and just I will hit the tab button and it will give me the all the document as it is. Okay, so I will give the documents. See, so note down this command, and next command I will be telling is the cd dot dot, I mean cd space dot dot. What it does, it will go in the backward direction. I mean, see, with the help of cd command I go from desktop to documents, but with the help of cd space dot dot I go from document to desktop in the reverse order. So if I want to go from I will be typing pwd, print working directory, where my terminal is in its home, Prasad and desktop. So I want to go to Prasad, so what I will do, cd space dot dot, then I will go in the Prasad. See, I'm in the Prasad. Okay, so this is one command. I think this is enough commands we will be using for deploying our project on the GitHub. So okay, so let's get started with the real fun. Okay, so first of all, after creating your first GitHub account, okay, let me sign in my account. Now I will be demonstrating one example, like creating one I will be deploying my one project on the GitHub. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so after creating your GitHub account, you will see this interface. Just go to your profile here and just click on this plus button and new repository. So type your project name here, like I will be typing demo/project. okay, you can type your demo project description, whatever your project description is, that I will type the description info. Okay, add your readme file, and in the readme file you can later on edit and give the information about your project. Here I think in your account here you will see the main branch name. So in the setting you can keep the main branch as well, or but I am convenient with the master name, so I just go in my setting and just I always change my main branch name to the master, but you can keep your whatever you want. I mean, main branch is also fine. Okay, so for your convenience I will change my branch name to main, so that while working with the commands you don't get confused at your end. Okay, I have changed my name to, okay, it will be convenient for you. Okay, demo project, description, whatever description you want to add, I will just write the description info for your convenience. I will add one readme file, and see here it changed to main. Okay, so I will create one repository for my project on the GitHub. So this is our repository of the project. So what I will do, I will just click on this code button and I will just copy the HTTPS code from here. Okay, got it. So in I will go in the terminal. For Linux users and Mac users, you should check that the Git is installed on your system. You can check by git space -- version. See, I have the Git version 2.36.1. okay, if it's not available you can just type the commands sudo apt get sudo apt install git something. Just google that out, and see, I have already okay, just wait. I already have my git installed. That's the nothing get installed. Okay, you can install by this, like this. Okay, and now we will begin our actual work. Okay, so I copied my https link. Okay, and then I will just go to my command prompt, I mean terminal, and I will just type git clone, or first of all, let's consider where you want to clone your, I mean make your project repo, your project folder. That's important. So suppose I want to make my project repo on the desktop. So okay, I will just type the ls command, and I want to, suppose I want to keep my project in the desktop. Okay, so I will go to the desktop. Okay, desktop. Suppose I want to keep my project in the projects folder, suppose this projects folder. Okay, so I will go in the projects. Don't make a typo while writing your project file name. Okay, I will go in the project. You were in the starting of the video I taught you the commands, so you can go anywhere in your system with the help of these commands, and you can just make your repo, I mean wherever you want to keep your folder of the project, you can just go there and just type the commands whatever I'm telling you now. So for copying cloning your GitHub repo on your system, you just have to type git clone. Okay, and you just have to right click and just paste and set enter. See, one more thing, you can't control V, you can't use control V in the terminal or git bash or Mac terminal, because in the terminals control V means something else. Okay, you just have to right click and just paste by right clicking. You can't use control V. Okay, so receiving objects, this cloning the demo project. See, on the where I have cloned my project, desktop and projects. Okay, so let's see, I will go in my desktop. See, here is a home, here is a desktop, and here is a projects. See, you can see the folder. Bingo. Okay, so this repo has been cloned to my local machine, my operating system, my computer. So what you should do now, suppose you have made your project on the VS Code or something else, then there will be the files of the all your project. Then what you do, you just go to that folder. Suppose this is my first year project, so this is the folder of my first year project. So I will go to this folder, Control A, Control C. I will copy all the files of my project, and then I will just go to that folder which I have cloned from my GitHub. Okay, then I will control paste, or I will paste all the files in that folder, just replace or everything. Okay, I will just copy and paste all the files in that folder. Okay, that's it. Now what I have done, we have just made changes in our GitHub repo which we have cloned in our system. So what we will do now, we will go to the terminal, and we will ensure that you are in that folder in which you have cloned your repo. Okay, suppose this thing happened. Okay, let's take some challenge. Suppose you close the terminal by accidentally, and now you are in the root folder. Okay, then you know where you have cloned your repo. So we can just go there by typing the commands which I have taught in the start of video. You can just see ls command, you will get all the list of folders in which you are terminal is. Okay, so I first have to go to the desktop, so I will just type cd change directory desktop, then I will go to desktop. Okay, I will again type ls. I know I want to go to projects folder, so I will go to cd projects. I can just tap okay projects. So I know ls, and I know that I have made changes in the demo project. So here comes our second command of the git. Okay, first command was git clone, and we just copied our https link there and we cloned our project. This was our first command. Okay, now the second command comes in the picture, which is git status. It will give you all the status of all the changes which which has been made in the repo. Okay, so it will give you now see, I will show you. See, it says that changes not staged to commit, but the project believe. Okay, ignore this, that it's making confusion. Okay, so the demo project, see, untracked files, and this folder has been okay, I will show you another thing. Demo specific, let's see the specific folder, demo project. See, okay, we are in the demo project. So here we just go to that repo in the terminal and type git status. Okay, don't make a typo, git status. See, it's telling us the untracked files. So this is our modified all the files which we have added. So later on just type git add space dot. Git add space dot means we are adding all the files in I mean all the changes we have made in that folder, in that repo. So what changes we have made? We have added all the new files, so all these changes will be tracked. See, it will happen. If you want to track one file only, then you can just type its name. Suppose I want to make this home page tracked. Okay, so I will just type home and tap it. Okay, I will just type home and I will press the tab, and then it will do my work. Then I just type, see, now I will do the git status, and it will show that, see, that home page, all the things in the home page has been tracked. That green means it has been tracked. Now I want to track all the things, so I will just type git add and dot, then it will see now git status. See, all the things has been tracked. Now this is ready to commit. All the changes has been added. Now here comes the fourth command out of gift. Make sure you are writing all the things, all the commands I will be saying. Now here comes the fifth command in the picture, that git commit dash m, and here in this bracket you can write any message you want to give to the viewer who will be viewing your I mean what changes you made, or any message you want to give while committing, which will appear on your folder. Suppose this is our demo project, so demo project for good, any sentence, any message you related to your project you can give. So I will give demo project good, something random. Okay, and make sure you are just typing all the commands exactly like this, double inverted commas and all. Now just type enter. Okay, I think I have made the typo. Git, see here I made the typo, I typed the triple M. Okay, so I will type again git commit dash m demo project good random, anything, any message you want to give for your project. So see, all the files has been committed. Now here comes the last command in the picture. Okay, which is let's see one more command, that git branch. this will show you on which branch you are right now. Okay, so you are on the main branch. See, so you can just type this last command, git origin, git push origin main. Okay, so you are pushing your folders to the main branch of the your repo, your GitHub. Okay, so I will just enter, and it will ask you for the Linux and Mac users, it will ask for your username, Prasad's GitHub. Okay, and I will enter, and it will ask for the password. Okay, so listen carefully right now. From the past few times, the GitHub has changed its policy. For instead of password, you have to paste here your GitHub token. Okay, so you can just Google how to create the GitHub token, and it will show you the 3-4 steps. Just create your token and paste it here. Okay, I will not be pasting my GitHub token because of some privacy reasons. I can't show you on video. But after pasting that token and just hitting the enter button, you can all things will work, and your folder will appear here on this video. Okay, I will show, just 1 minute. I will try to, I will stop the video and I will just paste my command. Okay, so I have copied my command, I have copied my GitHub token, and I will just paste here. Okay, see, it will show nothing, but it has been pasted. Okay, so I will click the enter and see, all things are working. Bingo, we have congratulations, we have deployed our project on the GitHub. Now I will show you. See, this was our repo. Okay, I will reload it. See, it's nice. Okay, later on you can just modify your readme file, add description about your project, and that's it. Now I will be showing for the example for the Windows user. Okay, so let's go for the Windows. So hello everyone, now we will be saying how to deploy our project on Windows OS. Okay, through the Windows OS. So first of all, you have to Google and download the Git bash. Okay, this Git bash for Windows. But your 32 or 64 bit, I have 64 bit, so I will be downloading 64 bit. Okay, so you see it's downloading, and after downloading, just have to, okay, you just have to install it on your system. Wait, you just have to run your setup. Oh, can't raise right now. Okay, so it's installing. Oh, we just have to wait, so just keep pressing next, next, next. Okay, you have to add on desktop. Okay, next, 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 next. Okay, we just have to wait for some time. Please hold on, and later on we will do all the similar things which we have done in the terminal in the first part of the video. The same commands and all the things are same here. Just the thing is that there is a terminal in Linux and Mac, and here we will be using git bash, this thing which we are installing right now, and all the things are same. Okay, so till that time we will be making our repo. Okay, let's say this is our GitHub account. You will be seeing this interface after logging in. Wait, this interface. You will be seeing this interface. Okay, so just go to your profile, and here you on repositories. From anywhere you can just make the repos. From these repositories you can just type here the new, or from your plus sign you can just click on this new repository, and anything will work. Okay, I will be making one repo named as demo. Let's do some different work. So demo project one. Okay, now description one. Anything description about your project, I will be writing description one. Okay, you can add a readme file. Here we see we have the main branch. There's a default branch. We will be creating the project. Okay, so after creating the repo, you just have to copy. As we have done all this thing in the first part of the video, we are doing the same things. We're just using the git bash instead of terminal. That's it. Okay, so just copy this https command and just do all the stuff similar. Okay, we will be launching. Okay, not this time. Okay, okay, see, this is after opening. Okay, I will do from scratch. Okay, after opening the git bash you will see this thing. This is nothing but all the similar stuff we are doing here are as in the first part of the video. We will go in the folder in which we want to clone our GitHub repo, or we want to keep our project on your local machine. So I will just type ls. See, these are the all the folders. First of all, I will type pwd where my terminal is right now. See, I have terminal is in the C users and HP. So I will go in the C suppose. So do you remember the command I told you to go to the backward? Okay, in the previous folder, C space double tap. Okay, so I'm in the C users now. So suppose I want to go to the C, CD space double dash. Okay, now I am in the C. Now I will just ls, type ls. Now I will get all the uh, folders present in the C. So let's okay. I will let's keep our repo and folder here. As, suppose we want to make keep our clone. We will click clone our project here only. Okay, in the C directly. So I will just type git clone, and I will just paste the https command that we https link which we copied from the GitHub. I will just clone my project. Okay, that's it. And now we cloned our project. Now I will show you. See, you can see in the C folder. Now let's go to the C, and you can see the project one. You can see here our readme file which we added. Okay, now the git bash time. Now we will just now the next thing we will do, that we will copy and paste all the project files in the project one folder. Suppose I don't have a project in this laptop, but I will just do some. Okay, suppose this is my project files. See, suppose this. So I will just control A, select all the files, control C. I will copy all the files, and I will just copy all the project files in this folder, and I will paste it. So okay, so suppose these are my project files which I have pasted in this folder, and now we will see. Now we will go to our project folder. Inside our project folder, so what we can do for to go to our inside our project folder, we will type ls first, so we can see that how many files are there. So which one is our project file folder? See, this one, the project one. So what I will type, cd space as the name project one. Okay, see. So now I'm inside the project one and the branch is main. Okay. Now I can just type git status to know the status of what changes has been made in the directory. See, this files has been added and they are untracked. Okay, so we will track those changes by typing git add and dot. As I mentioned in the first part of the video that we can add only one file by just typing the name of the file. Suppose first code dot cpp. Okay, first code dot cpp. So it will add only that file. See, we can see the git status. See, this file has been added. See, we can see. But to add all the files, we can type git add dot. Okay. Now we can just see git status. See, all the files has been tracked. Bingo. We are halfway done. Now we can just commit our all the changes. Git commit dash m space I mean in bracket. Now you can type any message you want to give to the commit. I mean why you are making this commit. So suppose suppose I will give this comment that the added new feature. Suppose added new feature, done. So we have committed the changes and now we will push. Now where we are pushing on the main branch. So if you want to confirm where you are on which branch you are right now, you can just type git branch and it will show you on which branch you are right now. Okay, so this is showing the main branch. You're on the main branch right now. So just push git push origin main and that's it. It will ask for your username and all. But this I think this bash is connected already connected to all the thing. One more thing, in the first starting your git bash, it will ask for your which user, what is your name and email and all. It will give you the git some commands will be shown here like git status dash dash config email and name. You can just give you a type that commands as it is and just replace the email keyword in that command with your original email and the username or name word in that commands with your original name. That's it. That two commands you will be asked in starting only once in a uh, on the whole journey. It's a one time only. Later on, whenever you will use the git bash, it will never ask you again. Just do that thing. It will show that which who you are and it will show you the two commands like git status and dash dash config something that commands will be and that's it. See, we have merged, we have pushed our project on the github and we can see on the github. Let's see. And this was our that repo and then we will just refresh and bingo, we have deployed our project on the github. Now that's it. And suppose you are you want to use these repos for the any folders like uh, any suppose for practice and all. So you can do like this also. Suppose I'm in a VS Code. Okay, so I will open that file, open that folder. Suppose that in the C folder, see the project one folder. Suppose I open that folder. Now I want to just code all the things here. Suppose I will add one file also. Suppose first.cpp I will add. Okay. So suppose I will write one simple program of hello world. Okay. String using namespace std. int main cout hello. Okay, and return 0. Okay, so suppose I just added this file. Now we have made new changes. Okay, so what it will show, suppose we are in the same project right now. Okay, so we will type git status. Now it will show that change. See, that gives first.cpp. Now I want to upload this file also on my GitHub. So what I will do, git add dot, okay, git status. See, this file has been tracked. Okay, just add, commit, and push. Okay, we had it. Now we will commit dash m bracket added first.cpp. Any message you want to give in the comment. Okay, we are committed. Now we will push git commit, sorry, git push origin, and you, as you are on the main branch, you can just push origin main. Okay, now we will confirm as really it is uploaded. So see here there is a no first.cpp file. Okay, now I will refresh. Now after refreshing there will be first.cpp. See, it's here. Now you can use it for revision and all, and whatever you want. So that's it, guys. We have deployed our project and all the things I have told you. You make sure you have written all the commands and all the procedure. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to my social media handles, which are given in the description. And thank you for watching. That's it. Bye bye.